Good morning, traders. This is a live trade recap. It's 4:20 a.m. on Tuesday, and I took one trade in the pre-market. I got it on video. So always organize the top gainers list by volume in the morning, also in the market open. And top three, Veru, AstraZeneca, and BDR. And the only one of those that was in my price range, I think I might have restarted Weeble, but basically I traded Veru. I looked at BDR for an entry. I thought about buying the break of this candle, but I think I should have put in an order, but I guess there wasn't enough shares, even though it was in the top three volume. So you can see the buy buttons going dark here. So I go to VERU. Look at BDR shooting up. It does come right back down though, so it probably would have been a losing trade. Let's see, I guess I didn't take a trade right away like I do sometimes. So for VERU, was looking at a reversal here. I liked that this candle was like a small enough range to give me a tight stop, and this looks like a reversal. So I decided if this candle breaks the high of this one, I'll buy. I was just trying to get rid of some of my lines from yesterday. So the ideal entry there, I think, would have been 1077. I got filled pretty high. I think that was because of the spread. I did that yesterday too. Wasn't looking at the spread very well. So you can see there's 3 cents. So that may have been where it was when I decided to take a trade. But then it got big there right when I put the entry in. So I got filled kind of high. So two things could happen there. Once that happened, I could decide to scale out, or I could still try the 2R thing, but not from that entry point, from my desired entry point. And that's essentially what I was doing. You see me hovering over this candle. I'm seeing the range here is 15 cents. So essentially looking for 30 cents above the high of this candle. And like when I was putting my order in, I noticed, it just popped, and it's at $11. And I didn't quite finish the calculation because I didn't get to put in the thing. And then I was gonna go hit sell 90 because I thought, well, $11, it's close, and it might pop by the time I get over to the sell button. But I accidentally hit sell 100%. And I think I filled at 1098 instead of 11, and it was only 3 shares, so it only amounted to a 31-cent win. But even so, it was like a lucky win because for 2 reasons. It didn't really get to 2R, and so I sold a little bit early, and then it does flush down, and it hits my stop. So I would have been stopped out anyway with my remaining shares. So it's not a great trade by any means, and I just got lucky that it's green there. You see it, 31 cents. So that's pretty much it. I think the rest of this is just me looking for other opportunities, and there weren't really any. I have a feeling that the small caps are weak this week. So look, see, here's VERU. I mean, this thing was also trading yesterday, and that makes it a little bit of a weak trade today as well. I generally like to find new stuff. So I'll just take one look here. NIO's trading, but that thing is like a chop fest, I'm sure. I didn't even look at it, but I'm just assuming that. Genius, that's garbage. Plus it has a high float. And I'm sure it's full of bag holders from the summer. And AstraZeneca's huge float, and it's out of my price range. So there's really not much. So just one of those days. Probably seeing this, and now VERU is down pretty low, as well as BDR. Well, it's below the top 3. So there probably wasn't really a good trade to take. So if anything, that was a forced trade. So all right, guys. Maybe we'll have a little better luck at some tradable low floats at the open. I'll see you then.